Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at crypto and beer. That's it. So if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you just want to chat with me or whatever, join me on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're going to be pinned here at the top of the chat. Call to go. What's up, dude? Andrew, first in. Be outside. Benton Greens is first. No, I'm sorry, Benton. Andrew beat you. And then BL, and then you're third, actually. At least that's the way the chat came through. So, sorry about that. Good try, though. Good try. Good hustle. Yo, guys, how's it going? Thank you all for joining me tonight. Let's jump onto the screen where the magical stuff happens. What's happening with crypto? Nothing. That's it. There's really no update. We've talked about this. We're ranging. It's the most boring time of the year in crypto. It's the most boring full time of the year, right? And the crypto stagnating and blah, blah, blah. I'm not sure what else goes with the song. But anyway, cheers, guys. Happy Friday. All right, let's see what's going on here. Market cap had the bullishness. Moving up. Great. Nothing bearish overhead yet. So we're cool. Neutral 47.75, and that's it. Really nothing. If we stay above the 20, chance that we'll go up for 1.03 trillion. We do reject that area, get back below. Could be aiming for that 761. We've been ranging below those areas, so we haven't really moved to either, right? So we're just chilling. Brian, what's up, dude? The corn, same thing. Elon, what is up, my friend? Thank you very much for joining us. Look, nothingness, right? Nothingness. We're looking for the triple bottom. That's fine. It's playing to the upside, rejecting 20,111. We said we could go there. We got above the 20. We're there. Failed to get above that area. Now, upon failure, move back down. Probably go back test that 20. It's going to be the weekend. It might be slow. We shall see how things are going to go. You know, sometimes we can start crazy, but you know, probably going to be a slow weekend. We're going to see how things are going to go. Should be aiming on a movement down 20,394. If we do get above 20,911 for some magical reason, should be trying to aim for 21,394 and then 21,955. Break below 20, 19,666. That's it. There's really nothing else, guys. That's the range we're trading in. We're either going to break to the upside or break to the downside. We just got to wait for a move to happen. Last time we were ranging was back here. And we're ranged for about a month. Where we measured, right? I already measured this. Look, from here. We can go from here to here. Until it broke. So here, 32 bars. Right, look at this move. So we're gonna measure from here where we're at, last bit of drop, and then just go to now. Right, 30 bars. So it's about the same thing, right? We are getting at that area where we could just drop or pump, or we just been stagnating for months. So something's gotta give. Something's gotta give. So we gotta see how things are gonna play out. But that's it for Bitcoin. Really, nothing happening on the daily. 4-hour chart had the bullish divergence. Rallying with that again, so our call a couple days ago, still good. Haven't spotted anything bearish, so we're not going with anything bearish yet. On the short-term move, we are starting to develop some slight divergence against the MACD. Not going to call it yet. I'm just going to draw it. I'm not sure this is going to break us down, right? We could be aiming for a next movement up here on Bitcoin. If y'all remember, we talked about consolidation, maybe get another leg up, right? That's something that we talked about yesterday. And again, I'm not sure this one's the one that's going to play us down, right? So if we move down, there's technicals for it. But right now, I'm waiting to see how we're going to be doing on the 1 hour before I actually make a call here. Because if you remember in the 1 hour, remember this? What did I said yesterday? Consolidation, right? Consolidation. We're looking for the break. Look, we're here live. Finally got the break. Pop to the upside, right? Remember what I said was going to happen when we pop? Create bearish divergence strong and then potential fraction of downside. And look at what happened. Precisely what we called. Yay! We are genius. You know, we are genius. Alrighty, look at this. So, from here to here, right? Divergence bearish. So from here to here, and then from here to here, right? So double divergence bearish. Potential fraction downside. So now the 4-hour call makes a little bit more sense. We are breaking below 20. We have not broken. I believe we have not broken the support line. And that support line is going to be looking like this. That's your support line. We have not broken it. Breaking this line is going to get us to go short-term bearish. I have not drawn support lines in a while, right? Not at least not trend support lines in a while. But right now, I do believe it's going to be important. This one could be bad if we break this one down, right? Again, could be looking for another movement down, but if that is the case, then we have failed to go higher than the previous high. So we are trying to go higher than the previous high here. Breaking back down is going to get us on a down trend, right? And that could spark the next movement down. So I do believe this one's going to be important. This one, it didn't matter much because we went higher than the previous high, right? So it looked as though we're going to shift on the trend here. Breaking down again, depending on how low we go, we could start a new downtrend, right? Just watch out for that one. Let's go check out Ethereum. Come on, charts. I'm just waiting for the chart to load. There we go. Oh, what is happening here, man? Alrighty. So, what do we have here? All right. So, bullish divergence, getting the movement up. All right. Ethereum recovered beautifully. Bullish engulfing again, just like Bitcoin, where we had a bullish engulfing candle. Bitcoin with a triple bottom. Ethereum maybe creating a double bottom here in Ethereum with bullish divergence. Again, the thing is, this double bottom I don't like, because we should be really looking for this double bottom back here. So, this one kind of didn't happen here, so I'm not sure I want to give this double bottom status. But, all things considered, high to low, right? Or high to a lower high, and then positive momentum to less positive momentum. And here we have some hidden divergence of the third kind. Hidden divergence of the third kind. Kidding. It's just hidden bearish, right? Potential for stagnation, maybe action to downside. Part of there's no probably rejected. We're starting to move down a bit. We could be aiming for 1,153. Don't really mind where Ethereum's at right now. I just hope it recovers better than Bitcoin. Now, what do we have here? Bearish divergence. We're looking for it here. Do we still have it here? No, we kind of got rid of it. And that is good. We got rid of it against the MACD and against the RSI. So it didn't play down, right? Again, it just followed Bitcoin. Remember what we said? Have this, but if Bitcoin rallies, we're going to get that. If Bitcoin drops, and we're going to follow Bitcoin. So that's it. We're just following the corn. That's the name of the game for the coins, man. Neutral at, bought at 61.40. Let's go to that 1 hour chart and see what's going on there. Bearish divergence strong, right? The Bitcoin status. Well, the 1 hour chart, strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction of downside. Look at this here, man. Y'all seen Resident Evil on Netflix, the series? Let me know if it's any good. I kind of started watching the first episode. I thought it was boring and slow. Let me know if that Resident Evil series, if you've seen it, if you've seen the episodes, let me know if it's good. I am intrigued. I want to know. All right. Anyways, not it for Ethereum, man. Hidden divergence bullish. Nope. Because here we're going here, and then here we did go slightly lower, and then we're coming with more negative, so not quite there. All righty, let's go check out ADA. Where the ADA at? How many ADA people in the hair cells, right? How many of y'all like ADA? Let me know on the chat if you like ADA, type 1. If you don't like ADA, type 2. Oh, beautiful. Look at it. Where we're supposed to head. 44.7. Great. Sorry, 44.8. Great. Bearish divergence strong against the MACD, against the RSI. This is a 1 hour chart, by the way. And all I'm noticing is that, it's the Bitcoin. It looks like a Bitcoin, right? Bearish divergence in the 1 hour. Bullish divergence trying to rally, failing to get above the 20. Neutral 42, man. 4 hour chart. We're looking for the bearish divergence here. Guess what? We still have it. But not only do we have it here, we also created some micro divergence. Oh no, what happened? I shifted the chart somehow. There we go. Go back to the ADA. Andrew loves the ADA, man. I know I knew that. ADA, Andrew's an ADA evangelist, just like Steve, but Steve's not in tonight, so Andrew's gonna have to do. There we go, right? Bearish divergence. Look at that. Boom. Moving down. Going for the 20 at 43.2 cents. We'll see what happens when we get there. Breaking below there, looking for that 40-cent mark. Try and get above there again. Again, have to beat 44.8, and then we would be targeting maybe this high here at 48.4. That's the moves, guys. That's the moves for the market. I got another order for 3D prints today. That is freaking awesome. This thing is actually quite more profitable. I can say that now. It's far more profitable than crypto right now. Like the guys that I'm working with, the company that I'm doing 3D prints for, they have this product that I'm printing for them, right? I've shown pieces already before. They sold out all the pieces yesterday. I already stated that. It's 2 days ago, sorry. 2 days ago, they sold out all the pieces. And they asked for 2 more, which I delivered to them today. And they already asked for 5 more pieces for next week. So these guys are on a roll, dude. And they just keep putting more orders and more orders and more orders. And every order is like, you know, $150, $100, $200. That's pretty freaking cool, man. I'm enjoying that. Alrighty, so CBA Andrew came in and said ASD, so ASD. Andrew, don't do LSD. Look, ASD, do it. Yeah, let's go, dude. ASD at 7. Hope it's this one. Where's the 4-hour, 200-day moving average there on Bitcoin? That's a good question. We have to look. I think it's going to be much higher than where we're at. All right, so it was dropping lower forever and ever until oblivion. More negative momentum. The bullish divergence against the RSI finally started to get the pump to happen, right? Something happened here. What happened with your long, Andrew? Did you do good on that? Again, bullish getting over the 20, flagging right now. So impulse up, consolidating, not bad. 68%, then followed by another 83 rally, now consolidation. And we're going to be able to see that in the 4-hour, the 1-hour, that we are just moving sideways here after getting very nice rallies. So first rally, second rally, spikes going higher. So here, definitely nothing bearish. Are we going to have anything bullish? Not yet. So nothing bullish. Neutral 58.53. And on the 1-hour, it again is just going on forever and ever. There was some bearish divergence for that moving down to happen here, right? On the 1-hour, we can see it. Look at it, it's majestic. Again, consolidating. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. We should be getting another move. Hopefully, pump again, right? Hopefully, pump again. So we're going to see how that goes. Neutral at 51.83. Dude, again, tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Just waiting for that expansive move. Watch out. I'm not sure what your position is here, but, you know, the consolidation that we're getting, we don't have anything bullish or bearish. It is a triangle consolidation. It could break either way. Right, be careful with that one. Calcrop Doc, what's up, dude? Which one was it? Was it this one? Moonbeam? Or MS Money Swap, right? Money Swap. So, yeah, you got in somewhere around here, I think you said. 80, 20, 28 and change. It's just consolidating, dude, right? It's just consolidating. Not sure. You lost 15% in consolidation. That's crazy, dude. You got into this one at 7.4. All right. All right, dude, just watch out. It's just tightening on the Bollinger Bands. Really not getting the cleanest read on the market, right? So, then Brian B says, keep an eye on Adam. Check out 3 previous lows. All right, we'll see. Again, consolidating. Again, not really sure where it's going to break. Just be careful with it. AGIX. Dude, I think it's this one. Here we go. Andrew requesting AG. Y'all remember when we used to have double peoples? Like we had 2 Craigs, we still have 2 Andrews. We had like 2 Gavins. That was just crazy, dude. I gotta see something real quick. Oh, that's what I sent them. All right, all right. Cool. So again, going down a bit more. Right. We can even say from way back here. And then coming up higher here and here as well. I'm not going to draw it against the MACD because we're going from negative to positive. It still works. It's bullish divergence. Should be looking for a rally. Probably going for a 20 moving average, but you know, that's what I'll be expecting. The AGIX don't look that hot now. It has a bullish divergence for a pump. It's just there right now. I know, even a high card's even a broken high card's ride twice a day, right? Or something like that. Neutral at that 41.38. But maybe he went broke by looking at his weird charts. Like, look at Bitcoin down. It is just going insane, and that means that, you know, this should be doing that because Bitcoin up is doing this other thing. And I was like, dude, you're just finding reasons, dude. Right? Dude, it's just consolidating. There's really nothing that I want to call here that is bullish or bearish. That's it. And then someone said, Adam. Yeah, Tom. There we go. $9. Oh my god. We're pumping a bit. So pumping twice, 9% and 5%. Not bad. Not bad. All right, so we're looking for the bearish divergence here. We still managed to hold on to it by there. So, you know, moving down, that's fine. Not too crazy. Nothing bullish coming in. Again, getting the rally. Probably because Bitcoin is doing something similar to this. Neutral 55.26. The dog brings the viewers. That's what May says. That's what May says. We shall see. Yeah. That's just been crazy, man, this last, you know, couple weeks and things. 1 second. Wow, something just made a completely weird noise. And it's not the printer. For a second there, I thought the printer had stopped in the middle of a print. I'm like, oh no, I got deliverables. It's not good when you have stuff to deliver and the printer just stops. I was like, oh, right. Please don't be broken. Alrighty. Look at it here, man. That bearish divergence hidden. Moving us down a bit. Bit by bit, it breaks us down. Yeah. I think it's the RSI neutral 55. So again, bearishness moving down. Again, not sure why we're dropping so much. The rest of the crypto's consolidating. I really wish this would have consolidated a bit better. But, you know, it's not looking super hot. Oh, look at this in the 1 hour. Oh, bearish divergence. There we go. We can go from here. We can just go from here. Whatever, you know, whatever floats your vote. It's still the same thing. This one's slightly higher, so we in theory could just be going back there. I just don't want to go over too much data. And bearish divergence, strong potential flexion downside, moving down. I'm breaking to 20. Yeah, that's what we have. Adam, is it doing a Bitcoin? I think Bitcoin also had the bearish divergence. Yeah. So Adam is doing a Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Oh, man. It is a good day, man. It is a good day. I'm happy. The 3D printing business is starting to boom. Yeah. So my printers, with this new order, it had paid itself 3 times. So the new addition they're making, it is going to make it pay itself another third. So 3.3 times it's paid itself. That is wild. That is wild. Amidst this long, chaotic week, glad to be the weekend. You are the weekend? You actually sing? Blinding lights. I'm kidding. Yes, I'm glad it's the weekend. It's been a super long week as well. I'm tired. It's just crazy. Yeah, my kid's been sick, dude. He got mumps. After that, he got like a flu, like, you know, a cold or something. And now he's got like a stomach bug. He's been puking all day. It's just, we have not been able to catch a break for like 2 weeks. How about Doge? Doge Ball? Someone should come up with a coin called Dutch Ball. Maybe there already is a Dutch Ball coin. Then if someone hits your wallet with a Dutch coin, you have to, you know, give them a portion of a Bitcoin. And then you throw it at someone else's wallet, and then they have to give you a portion of a Bitcoin. And that'll be a hilarious game to play. The Elon says he's gonna pump a Doge. This one, I'm not sure. I have a lot of duck coins here. Duck. Doge, here we go. I couldn't find that little Doge symbol. Nah, I could see it. All right, consolidation. Great. Not a lot happening. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Neutral at 43, so consolidating. Had the bearishness, pop, had divergence. Wow, that was a pretty loud lightning. I hate it when we have T-storm. Sometimes I get power outages. If I do drop, it's probably because of a power outage. Bullish divergence potential for rally, starting to rally. Great. High to low, dudes. Looky here. Me looky charms, people. We're creating the bearish divergence. It's gonna break us down. I know. Watch out for it. It is hitting bearish. Can you see it? Neutral 49.47 again. Starting to move down a bit. On the 1 hour, it's probably gonna look like consolidation, which is fine. And it's doing the Bitcoin. Look at it. It has bearish divergence. Strong. Here we try to rally, failed to get higher than the previous high. So again, continuation below the 20. Again, it's just looking like a Bitcoin for now. We call it Dodge Bitcoin. The Doge Chevrolet or whatever. Or Lincoln Mercury. There we go. Hidden divergence bullish. Might return to pop for the 20 at 6.32 cents. But I'm really not seeing a lot unless Bitcoin does something. That's just the name of the game lately. Unfortunately, all crypto is moving together. Violator says surfing the Bitcoin octopus arm. Jason, no, what's up, dude? I haven't seen you in a while. Thank you very much for stopping by, man. I hope you're doing good. We shall be the painter. Elon Hosky's the new Doge. All right. Meta coins look decent. All right, let's go check out sandals. Dand. All right, I can't type. Let's go find Dand. All right, here's sand. At $1.22. This used to be like over $6, man. I remember when he was over $6. Oh, cool. Now it's worth $1. Since it haven't been on YouTube in a bit. All right. Cool, man. Detoxifying from crypto is also healthy. Not seeing anything here yet that is bullish or bearish. Again, move sideways here, sideways, and sideways. I lied. There is a divergence. I just spotted it against the MACD. Sorry if I'm yawning a lot. I have not been getting the best night's sleep for the last couple nights. Here we go, bearish. Moving down. I know, a bit. Nothing bullish. Trying to go for rally. Failing. Again, just consolidating neutral. 55.50. The crypto's been trading sideways, so yeah, you're right. The crypto has been trading sideways. So, do something about it. Make it pump. Can you make it pump? You want it to pump? Bought at 61.69. Bearish divergence strong. Potential for a movement down. If this is to come in play, we're going to be targeting the 20 moving average at $1.16. Back here for that moving up, we had some hidden divergence. Look at this here. It's a hidden divergence, so no. Here we go. Here we go. Getting the rally. Now, not creating anything from back here again, but short term, some bearishness. Let's go to the 1 hour. Doing the Bitcoin for a bit, and then it started to pump more. Started to pump more. Look, it had bearish for here. And then it tried to rally. So against the MACD, it's not creating divergence, but against the other side, still managing to make more bearish divergence. Bought at 61.15. That's that, dude. You shining in that Bitcoin, just another name for tech stock due to the correlation. Yeah. I think basically anything that is high risk right now, it's good to stay away from. How do I see gold and silver? That's a good question. I haven't seen gold and silver. Oh, gold, where art thou dropping to? Gold at support, 1,700s. Great. We haven't been at this levels since August 2021 and then March 2021. Breaking here is not going to be pretty. We might try to find some minor support around this here levels, 1,684. If we break below there, why am I saying that here is going to be a support? Look, I'll explain. We're coming up, hit the zone, rejected massively, finally got above it, used that support before we rallied. Again, here you're seeing a support and rally, support and rally. So breaking below that area is going to lead us to where we could drop to 1,602. We'll see. I haven't seen silver. It's at $18. Wow. Silver has dropped quite a bit. Again, heading for support at 78 cents. Hey, it's a good time to be a jeweler, right? You can buy cheap silver and cheaper gold and make jewelry and then wait for it to pump again and sell it higher. Ha 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 ha. We're gonna be rich. Get to the chopper. What we doing, man? Dudes, I mean, there is some bearishness. Oh, no, some bearishness. There is some bullishness happening, but you know, we gotta wait and see if it's gonna play. The bullish divergence strong. Man, I hate it when I'm just yawning like crazy. It's been crazy, guys, I tell you. Like, gold doesn't have this divergence, right? As just silver. And again, it could be looking for a rally. So, make jewelry and sell it. Right, so it's great to be here on a Friday night. What else do we want to look at, guys? Please let me know. I'm just chilling with beer. That's it. It's just a chill stream. I want to take it easy. I'm tired. been a long week. I'm sorry about the streams being short, not being able to come almost every day. I mean, fortunately, the market, like I said, it's moving sideways, and it gives me that freedom that if I don't come in, I'm not super worried unless, you know, there's something major happening. But it's not that I'm not coming in because I don't want to. I'm just not coming in because I have a lot of work on the day-to-day job, so that takes a lot of time. That plus the 3D printing business is starting to take off a bit. So at least my main printer, well, the only one I have right now, it's busy all the time. It's just it's been turned on non-stop for the last 3 weeks, so it's pretty good. It's just producing more and more and more, and again, it's paid itself 3 times. I was able to buy a bigger printer already, so just waiting for it to get here. Hopefully next week it'll be here. Also was able to buy a resin printer, and I'm thinking that I might need to get another printer. Not that I'm addicted to buy printers, but you know, it's just I'm getting a lot of orders coming through and a lot of people getting, you know, things done, and I'm working with a business. At least the thing that makes me worry the most is that I want to make sure I can give this business a good rate and a good delivery on the products, or a good return on time for the products. You know, it's just cool, I guess, to be able to do this now as a side gig. And again, I don't think it's gonna replace my main job, but you know, it is starting to provide a pretty good size income where it's just paying for itself. I have not to worry about this, and I'm gonna start working on my Silverhawks. Already glued the base. I'm gonna try some. This one's basically for me. I have to try some soldering ideas that I saw, and then I'm gonna have to, you know, just sand it, prime it, make it look pretty, and paint it. That's gonna be freaking cool, man. I can't wait to have this project done, and see what else starts coming through, man. I'm gonna be farming. I want to be a farmer, but I'm gonna be a 3D print farmer. It takes 90 ounces of silver right now to buy an ounce of gold. That's not good. Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. But you know, it is what it is. It's a lot of silver, man. You all remember that time that Ethereum used to be worth a lot more than gold, and now it's worth a lot less than gold, but still a lot more than silver? I remember. Pepperidge Farms remembers. Yeah, it's crazy, dude. Mugged Visit says, I just got my very first comment on my first YouTube video uploaded. And then he's doing cheer emotions. Congrats! I hope your YouTube channel starts to take off and flourishes and starts performing well. I think I was starting I've been taping myself doing some 3D print stuff, you know, painting or sanding for projects and things like that. I just gotta make a video. Yeah, I might just start a YouTube channel for the 3D print biz and see if that works. Then I'm gonna be able to get free filament and resin and things like that from like the awesome 3D print companies, and to also get pieces for reviews. And hopefully that's gonna be fun. And you know, make it fun. All right, so it's just I don't have a lot of time to do a lot of things. I'm quite busy. I tend to keep very busy, so I haven't had time to sit down and just edit that video. Yo, again, guys, if you enjoy the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Make sure you join us on the Discord. We're out of beer. Oh, we're out of beer here. There's more beer in the fridge. I'm gonna see if I can get the awesome wife to bring me another beer. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to fetch one for myself. Fetch one for myself. You know. Let's see. She is gonna bring me one. Awesome. She was joking with me. She says, I'm not gonna hook up with beers. I'm not gonna hook anyone with beers right now. But she is. She is gonna bring me a beer. That is pretty cool. I am just waiting for the beer, man. Breaks 15 though. We're in some serious trouble. I doubt it. It's been up $12 before. You think silver could hit 15 and it could be single close to the bottom in the markets? It could still go to 12, man. I mean, silver has been down there before, so it's not going to be a big issue. So it's not going to be a big issue for silver to get there. Do I think it's a market bottom? No. Do I think silver is going to indicate the market bottom? I don't think so, Jason, dude. I think seeing gold drop more. I'll be looking for gold to look at market bottoms. All right. So, how is all right? Oil, 97. Where's the dollar index at? We haven't looked at the dollar index in a while. This is the dollar index. Alrighty. Why is it that the one I look for is not letting me pick? So let's go here. DXY. Let's look at the DIY. 107. Alright, so the dollar index still pumping, and we're still looking for this divergence to trigger. Which is failing too, so 107, great. That's why everything's in the gutter, right? Because the dollar's still strengthening. Although it shouldn't, because all the inflation, all that stuff that's going on. I'm sure why the dollar. It's just a super manipulated economy in general, right? Look at all the talks about recession and, you know, all the inflation that we're getting and things like that. And we're still pumping like crazy. Like the dollar's strengthening so much. It's insane. Oh, look at the corn moving down a bit. Oh, cheerio. Man, what are we going to do, guys? What are we going to do? I hope we don't have $1.20 on the DX. Yeah. Cadena's advisory team consists of experts such as blah, blah, blah. Market wizard with his trolling nature. What is trolling nature? The wizard. What? This is a bullshit. Tell me that I got top badge from someone that I've interacted with once. That is insane. It's very interesting weekend. I think it's an interesting weekend. We're gonna have to see what Bitcoin's gonna do. I'm not sure if we're gonna have a pumpy weekend or we're gonna have a droppy weekend. War, what is up, my friend? How's it going, Sensei War? You coming along good, man? The fighting stances, like, can't really tell with the jabs here. Have the mic right in front of me, but jabbing. You should teach non-contact boxing. Like, what was that character on that movie I saw the other day? Non-contact boxing? What is that? That was just hilarious. classes are growing. That is awesome, dude. That's awesome. I'm glad. I'm glad that you're getting that side gig going, dude. That is freaking cool. Jab, jab, jab. Kevin Hart. Yeah. You seen that movie I'm talking about? Oh, I remember. The Man from Toronto. That's the name of the movie. I was like, I couldn't remember the name of the movie, but yeah, that was hilarious. It was like air boxing. It was like no contact boxing. Yeah. It's just a chill. Sorry about that, guys, but it's just been a chill week so far, so I'm happy. Chill weekend. I don't want to get. The week was just heavy, but today has been chill. Today's been chill so far. I just hope I'm able to get a good night's sleep tonight or tomorrow or any of the nights, and then I'm gonna be good. Damn. There we go. Somatic. All right. Is it symptomatic? Matic. Oh, Mac. That's why. So let's go here. Matic. Lematic. 69.30. And 69. Do we have another Matic? That's matter. Alright, I thought we had another Matic that had more data in it. All these fibs that we used to have here, no longer any good. You know, from the highest point to the lowest point. Alright, so nothing there. If I go here and I lower this a bit, there's somewhere maybe that we look there. No, so no good on the fibs for this. So Matic, it's having a bullish divergence strong, just like the rest of crypto. And unlike Bitcoin's not creating that double bottom, but we're creating this little weird wiggly sloping motion, which again, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just gonna bring exhaustion at some point in time, so be careful. Unless like Bitcoin really takes off or stagnates longer, it's gonna be in trouble. So for now, bought at 64.04. Nothing bearish against the RSI, against the MACD. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Here we go. Bearish divergence strong. There we are. So with that potential fraction downside, maybe go down to that 20 moving average and go to 55 cent. If that bearish divergence triggers. For now, we're getting consolidation just like Bitcoin. Just go okay. And here and higher, more positive and higher still. Not seeing anything here that is super bearish. Just some slight strong bearish divergence here on this last bit, and that is probably going to translate on to the 1 hour chart, and we're going to see that happening there as well, right? Just remember, this could be strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour as well on this bit and move here. So do we have it here? Not quite here, but we do have it here. Like, yeah, here we go. Now that's the one I was looking at. No. Alright, so it's a little bit farther behind the 4 hour one. So strong bearish. Wow, I can hear like the rumbling from the thunder. It is not from down under though. It's from Mexico City thunder. It's just gonna probably pour like crazy. That's a bearishness moving sideways. And again, just stagnation neutral at 48.91 here on the RSI. Hidden bullish divergence. The reason that we try to recover, but we failed to get higher than the previous high. And I think that's about it. Oops. See here something. I want to see something here. Was it this one? Where is this? It might be this one. Yeah, it's this one. Let's all again. Watch my printed Viking of Valhalla never shall return, or whatever we're gonna call this Viking. I'm not sure, but this is what I painted. Now I gotta pack it and deliver it, which kind of sucks because I kind of like it too much. It is a really cool piece, and I kind of want to keep it, but you know I gotta send it to the client. I'm like, oh crap, man. Really wish I could just keep this and have it on display at the house. It is a super cool sculpt, yeah. Like it looks so freaking nice. It's actually metal. It's like silver. It looks like stone. Yeah, maybe in the screen. Maybe if I can make it larger, but like in real life, it just looks like metal. It's super crazy. It looks like it's an actual like you see it and you think it's heavy, but when you carry it, you're like, oh, it's super light. Because it's plastic. It looks like it's a metallic piece. It's so freaking insane. Really nice piece. Everyone that's seen the picture likes it so far. So I'm gonna see if I can get other people to get interested into buying one of these Viking pieces of 3D printing. It just takes forever to sand and get them right. So and this is a huge piece. It like what was it, 35 centimeter? Yeah, I don't have my measuring tape here. 35 centimeters, so we're talking about a little bit more than, it's like 2.12, it's like 14 inches high. Yeah, it's a quite a sizable piece. That's pretty cool. It is fairly cool, guys. What is this crud? Someone said, millennials are to blame for the sky-high inflation, strategist says. All right. Okay. Are millennials really to blame for the inflation? I doubt it. Yeah, you can print anything. So if there's a file for it, you can print it. So you can tell your friend that you can print adult toys. Yeah, what are you gonna print? Like adult toys? Like, hey, look, this is Spider-Man. It is an adult toy. It's not made for kids. It's a collectible. Here's another adult toy. It is for, you know, it's one of those slinky things that get you rid of stress. So you can have one of these slinky tunes to relieve stress. So it's for adults, not for kids. Yeah. Not sure, bro. I think you can print them. I've seen people like that have complained that, you know, well, they haven't complained. They're just like, oh, someone asked for this, and they just post a weird picture. Yeah. True story, Andrew. True story. It is not I. It is not us. Someone else is doing it, right? Yeah. So, what are we going to do now? Right on, dudes. I haven't seen Kevin in a while. I think he's out in like Utah. Oh. I'll drop him a line, make sure he's still alive and kicking. Yeah, he has like a family cabin up in Utah, and he goes out there once a year. He stays there for a while, so I just hope he's okay. Yeah. So, guys, we've been live for about an hour now. I'm gonna be calling it a stream. It is the weekend. Hopefully, it's gonna be chill. I hope it's gonna be a chill weekend. We're not gonna go nuts. Like, nothing goes crazy or ballistics here. We'll just have a chill, relaxed weekend. That's what I'm hoping for. Hopefully, we get. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Now remember that all the information that gets provided here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then, buy more crypto. All right, that's it, guys. Until then.